Hey traders, it's Steve from Second Trading Room, and yes, we are live and well. Thank you for your emails. It's kind of neat to have people that we've been busy with a lot of things going on, a lot of growth, tremendous amount of growth, and I've taken a bit of time to enjoy. I've taken a bit of time to enjoy the benefits of successful trading and yeah, and all of those things, but we've been hard at work. We've sort of revamped the trading room, not maybe rebranded even who we are and what we are. We've not changed from statistical probabilities and signals, high probability indicators that read order flow at a very advanced and precise level, offering our members, regardless of how they want to trade, the best trading opportunities. As you know, we're overseen by World Cup trading champion Rob Mitchell, and we trade his indicators and his ideas. And he is the hardest working person I have ever seen, except maybe me. He gets infinitely more out of his work because of his advanced understanding of the markets. But we work hard for our members, and but anyway, we've developed more advanced techniques, and I'm going to share one of those. We've not changed the room. We're using this in addition to the other things that our members find successful. So when you look at this, and I will tell you up front, what I'm going to show you here is not for everyone, and it's not designed to be for everyone. It's a very advanced look at market structure, how to trade the markets, and it'll take an open mind for you to look at this and see it and go, wow, that has some possibility. So with that in mind, let me do this, make it legal. I'm going to go real fast because I could spend a lot of time. We're going to do a webinar. 99% sure it's next week. I don't know the date yet. If you have questions, shoot me an email, and I'll give you that address in a minute. Or subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll have it on our next promotion and our video recap, and I'll do that over the weekend, so you'll have time to do that. Is it possible to live in the future? And I would have said no for all of my trading career up until about 4 or 5 months ago. And now I say it's the only way I'll ever consider trading. So again, this is not for everyone. And it took me a bit of time to sort of see all of the powerful possibilities. And we're going to show you how we use it in a room. It is impossible to know the future with 100% accuracy. It's not what we're saying. We don't know that. With advanced trading approaches and tools, we can get very close. We can help you get close. See, markets have memory. All forecasting relies on this memory. How precise is your forecasting? Ours is extremely precise, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. Probability to repeat over and over and over and over. I'm going to show you the third generation. We have fourth, and Rob's working on more soon to come. World Cup trading champion Rob Mitchell, and it's a unique opportunity to trade now with a high degree of certainty about the future. Most traders are trading in the past. They're using lagging indicators to trade bars that have already printed, and that's okay. That's what they have. You can't use what you don't have. Well, no one knows the future for sure, but and especially us, including us, take a quick look at this and see if you feel like this might help you reach your goals. Now, I'm going to, again, go through this real quick. In our webinar, I'll teach all of the basics. All of these rows and columns are important. You don't need to know them all. We've got members that rock this thing that use two things off of this map. They use this first column. Range 1 is simply the projection of each 30-minute period. Okay, we'll go over why 30-minute periods. We'll go over why that's the zone that we work with. We're not using it for entries. We're using our room chart, 4-tick, 8-tick chart for our entries. But this is a roadmap that we're using. And what we're going to point out today is that a period, it prints from 9:30 to 10. It says room time, but it's not. That's West Coast time where the map's generated. At 10 o'clock, This 30-minute bar will print and we will have all kinds of information on it. B period prints from period from 10 to 10:30, prints at 10:30. This says we're expecting 31 points in 33 points in A, 32 points in B, 20 in C, and you'll see through the day you go, well, yeah, ranges tend to contract, but then here toward the end they expand, and that excites us. The other thing, well, I'm going to point out real quick, these ranges are a bit larger than normal, and this is a Globex session, 116 points. This would be the day trading session. We were looking for 98 points. This number is right around 70. So almost 30 more points tells us that we're going to have some big days and some explosive trades, and we're going to look forward to that. So A period 33, the only other thing I'm going to talk about is over here is this probability here for the market to trend for an hour and a half. This 3-period probability walk just says, what is the probability of the market continuing for an hour and a half, 30 minutes, an hour, hour and a half? What is the probability of it continuing during that? And when we get these numbers, again, we'll show you later what it means. These stacked 90%, 100%, and 100% to walk, we get excited. This map, I printed this out about 8 o'clock, 8:10 a.m. Friday morning. So on 8:15 Friday morning, I was excited about 3 to 4. I was excited about the last hour of trading. I didn't know which direction yet. If you follow our work, you know which way we lean, but it's just that we've seen this enough to know that, hey, let's have fun here. A period is the most reliable with the period projection and direction. Okay, these are really high the first 3 periods, and then, you know, as market contracts a little, it might miss it a point or so up and down and that type of thing. So we're really keen on trading the first hour or so, trading it for the probabilities that we get, and then anything that gives us a huge advantage. Now, here's the last number we'll look at, and then we'll go fast, we'll be done. This 20% to continue, 3-period probability, what is the probability of this continuing the same direction that 9 to 9:30? And it's almost none. 80% to reverse. Remember that, 80% to reverse. So when we get a read here, we get a fill here, we're looking for the opposite direction for 33 points. Okay, so that's the way the market is set up for us. This is Friday the 4th. Let me get rid of this. Friday, November the 4th. Blue line is the open. If you have questions, shoot me an email, suckatnickstrading@gmail.com. Work way, or you say, hey, look, this is what I've been looking for. Look at this 6 or 7 minute video, grab the discount code at the end of it, apply it, come and join us. We'll get you up and running in no time. Okay, so -1 took -2 out up. A is going to reverse that, so we're looking for down. That's that simple. We're looking for down, and we're looking for 33 points down. Okay, so the market opens. If you follow our work, you know we love for the ES to set a trap for people that can't wait or that don't know and get on their own side of the market. This is a freebie. Anytime the market goes up some, it comes down and starts expanding away from the open, there's a super high probability that we're going to rotate down throughout that period. Okay, throughout that period, but we're looking down anyway. This price structure, price pattern right here is a new one. I'm not going to teach it right now, but it is a super duper room favorite. And we've got on this bar, we've got over 90% probability for 5 points. We take this out, we take this out, the race is on, and we're looking for 33 points below 37.90. That would be 57. What? As my granddaughter would say, what? Are you kidding me? 57. We'll see. Does it always hit this? No. Does it almost always hit it in A? Yep. And we've got some, let's do this. We've got some structure reference. That is, we make new lows. We, talk about resistance, and until we take out, we make a new low. Until we take this out, we're 95% sure we're headed down to that target. So this is just, this is just a free ride down, 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 down. Oh no, we didn't hit it. Oh well, we got close, right? Some of y'all have given up, and we did hit it. So that was our 33-point target. We were fortunate that we got a great entry up here. Sometimes we get these entries down in here. What if you only got half of it? I don't know if that would make a difference. And again, you may not want to trade that way. You might want to scalp this entry for 5. You might want to scalp this entry for 2. That's been almost 90% for 2. There's another 2-point midpoint hook trade. They trade well for 2. You might just want to scalp your way all the way down all the time with a high probability. Hey, we're headed here. So as long as I can get overvalued, or as long as I can get a high probability continuation, the majority of the smart money, large money trading is going to be trading with me. And we're going to go on and we're going to hit our target projections. And so now let me move forward because I don't want to keep you forever. So our qualifying period for L&M, these periods here, is K period, 2:30 to 3. Okay, and whichever way we're trending, we're expecting 100% to continue for almost 18 and then almost 20 or a little over 20 points or handles through this. So here's K, and K took out the previous period up. Okay, so we're looking for, actually from here, we're looking for an hour and a half of trending up. Super high probability of an hour and a half, hour and 15 minutes from the middle. Once we take this out, everything is pointing up. Okay, so we get to L period over here. This is the first of the 100% to continue. We're looking up to take the previous period out up by 4 points, almost 100%. And even the 4 points from here was through halfback. Halfback grabbed it and took off. We were looking for almost 18 points and we didn't get it. Okay, I'll go ahead and show you that. This doesn't work every time. We were looking for 17 3/4. And let's make this precise. And we only got 17. Okay, so we missed it by 3 ticks. So in a map that was printed at 8:15 in the morning, it was saying that between 3 and 3:30, we were go 17 3/4 points, and it missed it by 3 ticks. And I think that's pretty good. I think a lot of traders think that's pretty good. And then let's get our last period and then we'll be done. We'll wrap this up. M. Okay, we go 100% to take this out up here. 100%. Now, again, it's not perfect. It just means in the last 10 weeks, based on all of the factors that Rob built this algorithm over 6 or 8 years and worked and refined and tested, 100% of the time it takes this out. Okay, so we're looking up. So whether you trade trap trader oscillator, undervalued, you can see those are pretty good. Those are pretty good places to look to enter the market on the long side. If you're looking for up expansion and you get the market tremendously undervalued in a deep cycle with smart momentum, all of our members are just going, yay, thank you very much. And then we're looking for 4 above this as a minimum, or 20 points from 56, 66, 76, 76 1/4. Okay, we'll mark that because we try to do that in a room every period. So when we take this out and don't take this out, And we'll teach you that in the room. That's, again, an advanced technique we use in the room to identify support and resistance within structure. My level of confidence is 90+% that we're going to go up here and take this out. And then we know what? 20 points from here, 4 points above that. And of course, we hit all of those again. So when the market's doing this, the whole trading world's wondering what the heck is going on, and not us. You know, does it always do this? No, it doesn't. Can we find 4, 5, 6 30-minute periods a day that it does this, take advantage of? Yep, we can, and we do. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I wanted to share with you. This is what it looks like. We don't trade in the shadows. You know, this will print after this period completes in 3 minutes. That will print in 3 minutes, and we will not be here. So that is Friday, November the 4th, market mapping, and then, you know, some basic entry techniques with that. And again, this is not all we're doing. We're still doing our order flow patterns that have 90% win probabilities and things like that. In fact, a lot of our members are using the map sort of as a GPS roadmap, and then trading their signals. And that, and of course, you can imagine what they're destroying the market. So stockindextradingroom.com if you want to go ahead and get started. If you want the link, join our YouTube channel. We'll promote it again, or shoot me an email, stockindextradingroom. As soon as we firm the date up, we'll get that information to you. This was market mapping from Friday. And on behalf of World Cup trading champion Rob Mitchell, the world-class trading members in the Stock Index Trading Room, I'm Steve. We'd love for you to come and join us and grow to this level of trading. And once you catch on, it's pretty obvious. Our members are saying, yeah, once you see it, it's obvious what's happening. So on behalf of everybody in the Stock Index Trading Room, we're wishing you nothing but the very best in your trading.